Hey guys, it's Deandra with Vive Health, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up, how to use, and how to drain your cold therapy device. With your cold therapy device, you will find 1 ice bucket and lid, 1 hose with 2 extra O-rings, 1 universal cold therapy pad with removable protective barrier, 3 adjustable Velcro straps in small, medium, and large, and 1 power cord. To start, add ice to the bucket. Make sure that the ice is level inside and that it reaches up to the ice fill line. If it doesn't reach the fill line, the device may beep to let you know that more ice is needed. Next, add cold water to the bucket. Making sure that it reaches the top of the water fill line. To attach the lid, tilt the lid into the grooves of the bucket. Make sure that the clasp is securely latched at the front of the bucket. If the tubes on the lid don't reach down into the water, add more ice or water, but do not exceed the max fill line. To connect the hose, push down on the metal lock above each valve and push the hose nozzle in until you hear it click. To connect the cold therapy pad, push down on the metal lock above each hose valve and push the nozzles in until you hear a click. To power the device, plug the power cord into the lid. To turn the unit on, flip the switch next to the power plug. To change the liters per minute, press and hold the M button. As the letters LPM flash, use the arrows to decrease or increase the flow of cold water. To change the minutes, press and hold the M button. Use the arrows to decrease or increase the duration of cold therapy. To confirm your settings, press the M button again. To begin cold therapy, press the Start button. The fan icon means that the water is circulating. To stop the cold therapy, simply press the button again. If the machine beeps 3 times, that means that more ice should be added to the device. To apply, position the clear side of the pad against the area that needs the cold therapy treatment. To attach the optional protective barrier, remove the adhesive and attach it to the clear side of the cold therapy pad. For a secure fit and added compression, wrap one of the adjustable Velcro straps around the pad to keep it in place. To drain the cold therapy pad, remove the lid from the bucket so that it is completely out of the water or ice. Turn on the machine and hold the lid over the bucket or a sink so that you can catch the water that drains out of the pad and tubes. If needed, you can raise or twist the pad to remove any excess water. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos.